Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Little Tummy, and I'm your host Meenka. So what about a cupcake today? In the breakfast? Well, it's not sweet. Today I'm making a non-veggie cupcakes. Yes, join me on this recipe now. So let's begin the recipe now. I've taken a small cauliflower. Yes, the base of my muffin goes with the cauliflower. I've just chopped it. Now we'll grind it into the mixie and make it a fine powder. So let's put it in the mixie now. So let's give it a grind. So let's just see if this has been properly grinded or not. Yes, the cauliflower has been minced very well. Now let's transfer this to the bowl. Let's just drop this minced cauliflower in the bowl, everything inside it. And along with them, we'll add a lot of veggies as well as our chicken pieces to it. Now let's start adding other things into this cauliflower. I've taken almost 3 to 4 pods of garlic, minced or cut as per your choice. 1 small onion, finely diced. There's almost 5 to 6 mushrooms, also diced. I've taken almost a strip of chicken. This is a boneless chicken. I have just cut them into small pieces. This goes into the bowl as well. Some chopped coriander. Up to you if you want to add this coriander into the muffins. If the kids don't like it, avoid this. Half of the cheese that goes into the bowl right now. Remaining we will top it on every muffin. Now the last ingredient will be the spinach. I've roughly chopped it after I've cleaned it. So it's all on you what kind of veggies you want to use or just the non-veg. Mix them well right now and then we'll add the remaining ingredients. Now once you have mixed it well, let's add 2 eggs into it. It's just for the binding purpose. 1 goes into it. Just give it a mix before you add the second one. Now drop the second one into it and give it a stir properly, and then we add the seasoning to the muffins. Since it's all spicy and everything, adjust your taste accordingly. You can add red chili, green chilies as per your taste. I have not added green chili because it might come to your mouth once you eat it. Let's add the seasoning now. Since we've already added the cheese and the cheese will come on the top also, adjust your salt accordingly. Some salt goes into it. Then I'm adding a little bit of oregano. This is for extra taste. If you really want to add it, then it's okay. Otherwise, you can avoid this. And finally, you can add some black pepper. Since I've not added any red chili or green chili, so I'm using black peppers for that extra taste. Mix them well. So now this is all mixed together. Make sure your oven is starting to preheat at 190 degrees Celsius, and by that time we'll grease our cupcakes and then pour this mixture into the cupcakes. So we have taken beautiful cupcakes for your kids as well. So now let's just spray them with cooking sprays or cooking oil, whatever you have at your home. Spray them and then we'll just pour the mixture into each cupcake. Now just drop the cheese on top of the cupcakes. More if you want for your kids and depending upon your taste. So I've put the cupcakes into the oven. Just close it and goes for almost 20 minutes. We'll check it almost between 10 to 15 minutes and let's start. Now it's been almost 20 minutes. As this finishes, let's check our cupcakes from inside. And wow, this looks crust on top. The cheese has been hash brown. Let's just take them out of the oven Just keep it for some time to cool it down, and then we'll remove the. So this cupcakes looks yummy. The cheese has melted well. You can enjoy this breakfast whenever you want to make it. So make your breakfast healthy anytime, any day, and you can replace your chicken with any veggies. And if you like this recipe, do try this at home and comment. Subscribe my channel and wait for my next recipe. Till then, bye bye and have a good day.